Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place as Ashal speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the reading. Timeless. Okay, it's very interesting message for you. I feel like you're going to love it. Okay. Also, if you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal. Then GPay is there, UPI ID is there in the description box below. Thank you for doing that too. And also hype and hit the bell icon definitely to get notified. People don't get notified. That's a curse for YouTubers like me, and many others might be going through that. With that, that's a message as well. Oh, I think I should do this reading in a different way, but I'm going to anyways do it. But Aquarius says something happened. They lost you. It's kind of like became a curse for them. Oh, I'm hearing Velociraptor. Why? Why? That girl, little girl. Why? So, why Velociraptor? I think they want me to stick with this and go with the flow. Okay, so just check the symbolism. I don't know whether something that is extinct or we don't know they're still there. Well, that's why Jurassic Park. But if they're not there, but we yet don't know, then also can we check the symbolism of Velociraptor? Can we? Tell me. Can we? Tell me. Okay, so yes. Someone lost you. Okay? And you were close to them once. They had access to you. And now they don't. Why? That's why I said why. Because they turned out as a Velociraptor, or I don't know, Velociraptor can tell you many more things, like the way they channel their message, the way they call out for others, the way they have a group, and all that. Okay, someone lied to you, possible, cheated. They had some things, a liar. They were a liar, or they did something. They stole something from you as well. And the first and the most important thing, they stole our time. They steal our time, right? But yes, of course, apart from that, our energy and money, and sometimes not money but other things. But I'm also seeing here like a group. Okay, now I don't want to go deep into, like, I know, but I do want you to check for yourself about Velociraptor and their symbolism, if you wish to, of course. No force, peace. No force, it's a free will. Okay, maybe you're dealing or you dealt with someone who you misunderstood. They turned out something or someone else, and they broke your heart or they disappointed you. On a high note, it's not even a misunderstanding. Someone, yeah, emotional walk away, I see, if they did, whoever did. Okay, but I do feel like someone, oh, Aquarius, you need to take a U-turn. Come back. Come back. Come back. Don't go there. Okay? Some of you are, not all, but some of you might be trying to figure out what happened, how happened. Let me check. Let me go. Don't try to reach. Why? Because that's what the clarity possible you needed the most in this time frame. Ace of Swords. However, this person, whoever it is, within a month, yes, they're going to write something to you. I don't know what right now, but they're going to write. So if it's already a month, it's going to be. If it's already 15 days, you may hear from them in another 15 or 20 days. Oh my God. Yes, someone's defense is up. But when the time comes and they want to refresh, don't follow. Okay? Because right now they're giving you a sad aura if they gave you. And it's also like Two of Swords energy, no contact, silence. And it's also, yes, it's also this. Someone literally, is that word? Yes, it's a word. Are you insane like me? Okay. They cannot bear you, they cannot understand your shine, they cannot understand your glitter, your sparkle, they cannot understand, they people, everyone, like vice versa, but no one can handle the other's energy if it's loud and outspoken, and and I said what I said, kind of right thing. I'm not saying stupid things, okay, but the thing that is right, and we take stand for that, or we say, okay, this slap is wrong, then slap is wrong. But what if they say, no, it's not wrong? Oh, it is wrong. I cannot tackle with you, darling. You are wrong. Shut up. Like, you know, you know what I mean. So, Ten of Swords is someone who gave you a bitter taste of communication. There could be age gap, okay, and it's not necessary, but could be, because you have this Page of Pentacles, could be Taurus or Capricorn as well, Aquariuses. So it became a curse, and I like they're going to realize it later, or someone is realizing it now. Okay, that oh yes, and it is also something a big disappointment in this time frame. Kind of like even for some, I can give you this three months kind of that's gone, or is like right now on, but it's almost like 2 months gone, and now 1 month is left. Like it's going to be three, or it's already three, and you will know that they always disappointed you. Okay, so I think like they're trying to convey that you need not to bring more months to this. Don't add up more disappointing phases or episodes. Okay, it's better that they left, or it's better that they walked away. It's better you walked away. That's why I said take a U-turn and come back home, darling. Please. Whoever you are listening, like whichever gender, okay? Whether you are male listening to me, a female listening to me. Oh, I'm so tired now. I've been speaking. Like I did 2 recordings, and now I need water, and I've again forgot my bottle in a fridge. Okay, so I'm not taking this. It's just saying that it's better not to go back. It's better not. Okay, we're going to take this card. They're saying it's better because that's what the judgment is. That's what the decision is for you from universe for now, and your intuition is telling you right. So Sun could be Leo, but what it is trying to say, don't go back, because you move forward. That is what is beautiful for you. Your next chapter is forward and not backwards. Okay, Sun should follow you to show you the light. And for some of you, let me just put it in a symbolic way, that sun is following you even at night. Okay, it's not like technically like as a system wise possible, but it is possible somehow that someone is telling you to move, and they're helping you, like your guardian angels or spiritual, they're giving you that boost to move. You're here, you're doing it right. This is what you're doing. This is what you're going to be, new you, like, okay. Oh, okay, they decided something for you. They ended this. They just took this person or situation out from your life, and it's good, darling. It is good. Maybe right now you might be feeling a no, but yes, okay. And whoever is going to regret is them. That's what I see. There's new communication happening here, and it's after the rest, after the pause. Okay, so be happy that you're free from stress. Be happy that something is gone, and it could have been like very hurtful for you. Okay. Okay. I know Sun's number is not 7, but I thought like it was 7, which is weird. I know that. But then you got 7 of Cups, and they said, no, we are 7. I am 7. Like who says that? There were 2 twins. Say, Daddy, I'm Charlie. She's, the other name was. Oh, of course, father knew. Okay, Daddy knew, but he was just playing with the kids. Okay, and she was so sweet in saying that. Okay. There's going to be a message out of the blue, and you know what, it's not even affecting you. Why? Because you are like this. Sun positive. Sun, you are positive, and that is the reason that people, they get attracted to you, but there's also new communication happening online via with someone. But you know what, it's not bothering you because you're always right now in this time frame when you have dealt with so many energies and all and situations. You're like, you always take one step, like you don't go in, you don't dive in, okay? You need to see, like you check. Okay, so you're that what is it, a good observer. You've become a good observer, okay, with time, and which is a very nice thing. So you extract yourself and you don't get just, caught up in that storm of confusion and everything, okay? But yeah, someone is going to get attracted to you from all that crowd out there, like options, suitors, whatever you say. But someone is going to be interested because that's a crowd, because you don't know the person, okay? That there are suitors and many suitors, but you don't know. So unless and until you don't know, they're crowd for you, right? Or they're people for you. A people. There's so many people in the world. But what I want to say right now is don't get attached. 11:11 recording time. And that is the point actually. So can you stay detached? I know it's difficult, but can you stay? Like, can you keep less and no expectations at all? Just talk if someone is talking because yeah. Can you just enjoy the song? Shakira, Shakira. Oh, baby, when you talk like that, because someone is going to talk like that, like in a good way that is going to make you feel happy. Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make the woman go mad. Is that, huh? I may be wrong with words sometimes. So you have page of wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but you have page of wands. You have some person here. You have someone who is messaging you. Maybe it's exciting at times, or they're also curious about you. Maybe there's age gap. Maybe you are younger. Maybe they are younger. However, maybe both of you are not in the 20s or teens, but you are in 30s or 40s, and that's young. I mean, I don't mean to say that 20s is young and 30s not. I just mean to say age numbers, okay? Um, because we have to speak so much that we can go here and there with words, and then people are going to take out meaning of anything and don't, okay? There's no offense. Just chill, enjoy a little bit. There's already so much of stress, right? So what we need to share the energy of? Sun. Honey bun. Okay, what is coming? A little bit of exploration is coming. Exploration. I mean, yeah. To be honest, one went away, caused you a little bit of emotional chaos or something. But losing you is a curse for this person, whoever lost you. The moon could be Piscean. Oh, it's not a flip. Nah, it's a flip. Ooh. Oh. So what they're saying, you are important. You are sun. You are the empress. Whether you're masculine or feminine, it could be the emperor, okay? But you are the empress, darling. You are the empress. And to become the empress, it's a big deal. It's a big deal. You're not just born and you become the empress. You become the empress. Like day by day, you get the experience. Or, yes, of course that. And when you're that, you are that. Okay? And you impart that, you project that energy, and then someone does come around, or your emperor does come around, and they recognize their empress, and vice versa. Now you are here, the empress. You got things. You are in this. Nobody can fool you now. A little bit of here and there, but nah. Okay. But let me tell you. So you're the empress, and so you gonna choose the emperor only, or the emperor gonna choose the empress only. Okay, that's a power couple. Now they don't fall for shit. They don't fall for fools. They don't do that. They don't get lured, darling. Even if they get, should I check? Oh, no, 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 no. I need to step back and check. So this person, you check. You check always, and you don't fall for that storm. So no matter how many suitors are there, and doesn't work that way. Okay, and doesn't until someone is putting effort. That's kind of Three of Pentacles energy. What is coming in Peekaboo? Definitely there is this Empress situation, which is about your situation and you. Okay, they're saying their important phase is starting. It's little unknown. What is coming? What is Peekaboo for Aquarius? New direction. What is coming? Can you tell us? Okay. Okay. Some of you, 101% male energy, he, him, you are going to be in love, darling. Very soon. And for females out there, someone is going to be in love with you. These cards were... This is what is. Oh, King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But what's the card that flipped is Five of Cups. Okay, now this energy is about if you feel disappointed or sad at times, the reality check, you don't show it. What you are the Empress. You hold it very, very gracefully. Another thing, this is an overlapping energy of this person. I said so. That this is a curse for them, losing you, because they're looking at you online, social media. They're watching you, watching you, watching you. And because they're watching you, they know what kind of person you are. And they know they couldn't hold up to that. So this Five of Cups is your absence from their life. And you know it already, darling. You know it, okay? I have something in my mind. I always have something in my mind. Oh my gosh. So they are just getting crazy day by day, kind of like, wanting to connect with you. I'm telling you that. And the energy could be like unpredictable as well, and kind of like a cat energy as well. Not a dog, cat. Very mysterious. Little, I don't know, it's like what to say? It's like untold energy, or it's like unrevealed energy, or it's like a hidden aura of this person where they should say something but they are not, but they're trying to keep a check on you. Someone is keeping a check on you. Genuinely, honestly, 101% someone is keeping a check on you. I'm telling you that, okay? And what did they did? What they did? Someone is hoping to get back with you. Could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Damn, wanting to talk to you. And I'm telling you that honestly, someone could be heavy Leo as well, or Aries, Sagittarius. Someone acted like a, not like a lion though, like a meow, like a cat. Okay, and in this situation, it's like, don't act like a meow, don't act like a cat, act like a roar and act like a lion. But they didn't, and they lost you. Oh, well, they did, lost you. How to wind up the reading? Okay, in all my readings today, it's extra energy. I don't know why, but it is. You have Six of Cups. Someone is going to, I always say someone is going to research, but it's also someone is submerging in your love, okay? The Six of Cups, someone is going to want to return, research or return or whatever, and they are looking at you. Their eyes are on you. And it's like more than two eyes. So there could be some other energy as well looking at you, okay? But this Six of Cups is return or wanting the energy of return. Like they want to return. What is that you want to? Okay, what is that you want? They want to give you their cups. Do you also want to give those cups? Like they want to reunite with you in order to tell you, like, can I shake hands with you? No. Like, I don't know where you are sitting right now in emotions. If you don't want, don't. Be responsible for your karma. Many new things are coming. But this card is definitely that saying that they are having heavy regret. Okay. This like losing you was curse for them. Okay. Take care and see you soon. Bye.